man, it's your girl Annetta Powell. I am here at the JW Marriott in Buckhead. What does that tell you? It's MONEY here. So what I gotta do is I gotta drop this $100 drop card. Sneak and drop it. You know what I'm saying? Sneak and drop it. Like you can't be seen. You know I'm getting quiet because I'm about to get somebody today with the $100 trick. Hey. Alright. And then you just walk back. You don't look back. You keep walking. So with all that said, see you on the other side of money, and you all have a great day and peace.